Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Amazing Keema Naan in less than 15 minutes. In the last video I showed you how to make a great flavorful keema filling. This is minced meat flavored with great Indian spices. I'm gonna take this filling and make my quick 10-minute naan. So easy, so flavorful. Everyone who tried this naan on social media loved it. It requires no effort, no yeast, no oven, no wait. Let me show you how to make it right now and let's get started. I'm gonna start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I know some of you think 120 grams is 1 cup, but I've been weighing the flour lately. It's more like 140 to 150 grams. So 280 to 300 grams of flour should be great. You're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and mix very well. It's very important to mix the dry ingredients. You don't want any bitter taste from the baking soda. You're gonna add half a cup of plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix a little bit and then add 1/4 cup of room temperature water or tap water. You're gonna mix literally for 30 seconds until a dough forms. The dough should be soft, not dense. If you think it's a little dense, add a tablespoon of water. It shouldn't be really, just knead it for 30 seconds, that's all. And you're gonna divide it into 8 equal portions. Can you tell how soft the dough is? I'm gonna work with it right away. I'm not gonna let it rest or anything. Meanwhile, I'm preheating a pan, a non-stick pan or a cast iron pan to very high temperature. I know it's ready when it starts to smoke a little bit. I want it to be this hot. I'm gonna use the rolling pin and try to fill it with 1 or 2 tablespoons of the meat mixture. Make sure the meat mixture is well drained. You don't want any liquid on top of the dough. The meat mixture is fully cooked. You're always gonna need all-purpose flour to roll the dough. I'm using a rolling pin. Add the meat, fold and roll. Just like so, and it doesn't have to be perfect. If something tears, not a big deal. Roll it the way you want. Oval, half circle, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Please know that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. The pan is smoking hot. I'm gonna place it just like so, and immediately, if your dough is light and successful enough, you're gonna start seeing some bubbles. Seconds later, you're gonna flip it on the other side. Look at this beautiful char. Perfection, and it's gonna be cooked all the way through. I'm gonna fill some with mozzarella cheese. You can add your preferred cheese. Just fold, roll, and add to the hot pan. Cook for seconds on each side. What you're gonna get is an amazing cheese bread. If you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. Follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. You can brush with a little bit of melted butter while it's still hot. Enjoy hot or warm. It is amazing and easier than you think to make. You can make the meat mixture 1 or 2 days ahead, or you can even make it and freeze it, take it out when you need it. Let me know how you like it in the comments box below, and until next time, bon appétit!